Alright guys, if you get a Porsche 996 window that's making a grinding sound when it goes up or down, everybody on the forums and stuff's going to be quick to tell you, oh, you got to replace the regulator. But I've got a passenger side regulator right here for an 04 911 Targa. Now, windows rolled all the way down. As you can see, this is the front of the car on the passenger side. This is the rear. And right here, you can see that this plastic bit, something broken off right there. What could that be? So let's flip this guy over. Have our Torx bit. Trying to do this one-handed. Okay, let's pull this bit out. Actually, you know what? Put it on the tripod. Hang on 1 second. And there we go. Alright. If we can pull this guy out a bit, you can pull this whole cover off. And as long as you see that, grab something to point with. Oh. All the cables are in their tracks properly, so the grinding's obviously not coming from the cable. There's this big ass blue plastic piece of shit. Obviously that has snapped off of that. It's in here, and this is just chewing up this piece of plastic as the regulator turns left and right, up and down. So, I think I'm just going to cut this out because, I mean, it's just going to grind if I leave that in there. I don't think, I know this is a guide to keep the cable in line so it doesn't get all twisted up, but you see this bit right here is on top of the guided part, so I think this cable coming out is going to keep that one in its track. So I'm going to try cutting this out. That doesn't work. I might 3D print a whole new part, this and the guide. Pull the end of the cable out here, undo it, slip it on there, try it again, but I'm going to cut that guy out and just see how it works. Can't get more broken, huh? We'll see.